Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how to use the CapCut for video editing. So I can provide a basic tutorial on how to use CapCut for video editing. So here's a general overview. After you download and install the CapCut apps, you can create a new project. So just click on the new project and import the video clip. You can select videos, photos, or stock videos. For example, select this photos. Just click on add to import the clips. So here you can trim, split, and add effect to each clip, and you can also add a music. So you can add a music. Just click on the audio. You can select sound, you can select sound effect, you can select the voiceover, and you can add the text. Just click on the text. Like add text. To add the text, you can select sticker to add the stickers available here. You can also add the auto caption, you can add the text template, you can add auto lyrics, and then you can draw on your clip. So you can add the overlay. Just click on the overlay, select add overlay, and select the overlay that you want to add. You can select effect to your clip. Just click on the effect. So there are video effects and body effects and also photo effects that you want to choose. Just click on it. You can adjust your clips. Just click on adjust and select filters, adjustment, or you can improve video quality. Just click check mark. Alright, so you can add a canvas and you can change for the video resolution and the frame rate. Just click on it, resolution, frame rate, and and you can also make as a GIF, right? And after you finish editing the video, you are just going to export your project. Just click on the export button at the top right corner. So that's how you can use the CapCut for video editing. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.